It's giving bridal shower. It's giving bridal preps on the morning of the wedding. Good morning, guys. Let's go for a run. Well, the hair, the robe, it's giving bridal shower. It's giving bridal preps on the morning of the wedding. Anyways, guys, I've just been doing some laundry. I think the last time you saw me was when I was going for a run. I'm so tired. Like I've been running and I'm really starting to feel the aches. But anyways, I've showered. I need to get dressed and I'm heading out to go spend the day with my sister. She is hosting some boys, some young kids, my nephew's friends from school. So like her hands are full right now and I'm heading out to just, chill with her and help with whatever I can help with. You know how it is when you've got a house full of kids, so yeah, one more thing that I do need to do as well is start editing, because I have 2 vlogs that I need to post as I stand here talking to you right now. So I need to get that done as well, but I'm gonna take my laptop with me so that I can edit while I'm chilling with her. So yeah, guys, let me get dressed, let me get ready, and yeah, I need to get out of here very, very soon. sure it is.
Tell the boys, check your room.
I'm going that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three, go.
Hey guys, we are back with our advent calendar. So today we will be opening day 2 and day 3. So that's exciting because we get 2 gifts today. Okay, I think day 2 will be on this side. There it is. 2 is right over here. Okay, let's see what it has. So day 2 is the shower oil. This is very nice. I've actually received a sample of the shower oil. It smells amazing. Like it smells so good, guys. You don't understand. So this is what it looks like. And then let us go to day 3, which should be on the other side, right here at the top. And day 3 is ultra rich body cream. So there we have it for today. We have these two, and I'm so excited. I want to smell this. Oh. Guys, these products smell so good. And then I want to smell the body cream. Okay, it has a little seal. Okay. Oh. They smell so good, guys. So yeah, these were our gifts for today, and I will see you when we unbox the next 2 days.